Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Tinder account on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now with that being said, let's sign up for the Tinder dating app on our Android phone. To do that, you'll be first required to install the Tinder app on your phone manually, and you can see there's the Tinder app available on the Play Store when you search for it. You guys will get the install button. If you have not installed it, I have already installed the Tinder button, so I can see the open button. Let's go to our Tinder app and see the first interface. When you log into your Tinder, you can create a Tinder account on your phone with your Google or your Facebook or your phone number accounts over here. You can choose any type of your verification media you choose, like Google or Facebook or phone number. For us it will be the Google. Let's sign into our Tinder with Google, and let's choose my account. And after that, you can see Tinder is asking me for my number, so let's add my number. And you can do the same. For my country is default, so it's plus 977. It can be something else for you. Let's go with 977 right now. Let's tap on continue. Now Tinder will send you a code on your number you just registered on Tinder. I have already received the code, so I'll enter it. And after entering the code, let's tap on continue. And there guys, we have successfully created an account on Tinder. Now you will be required to further customize your Tinder app like this. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.